So we contacted Blackpool Boiler Installations after having numerous issues with our current boiler. It was also quite dated at around 16 to 17 years old, and with the prices of energy at the moment, we felt that a new boiler would be the best option. I was very happy with Blackpool Boiler Installations. They arrived on time and when they said they would. Since the boiler's been fitted, we've had no issues. We were handed a welcome pack on the first installation. It's now been fitted, I think probably about a week and a half to 2 weeks, and we're already feel the difference in the home. It's warmer, the radiators work as they should. The shower's been the biggest one. We've got constant temperature now, whereas before it was a little bit intermittent. So a big thumbs up from me, thank you. I would certainly recommend Blackpool Boiler Installations to any friends and family. Not only were they clean, tidy and arrived on time, but their online quotation system was a real game changer for me. For someone who works quite long hours, to be able to sit at home in the evenings with my partner and run through the different options available to me was a big plus. Again, thank you very much, Adam. Much appreciated.